Hello everyone, I am Ikhwan Syahputra from English Education Study Program with study number I1B2222056. On this occasion, I would like to give you some explanation based on my understanding about the book that I already read, which is about a grounded narrative and also the ethnography. And the book I read before is the title is about Qualitative Research from Start to Finish by Robert K. Yin, and in the book that he already made, he already provide a table as well, which is provide some short explanations about several points that I will explain to you guys. So the first, let's talk about the grounded theory. So the grounded theory itself, based on the Glasser and Strauss, they assume that the natural occurrence of social behavior in real-world context is best analyzed by deriving bottom-up grounded categories and concepts. So the grounded theory itself is a systematic methodology in qualitative research that aims to develop theories grounded in data collections from the field. And for the purpose of the grounded theory itself is to seek to generate a theory that explains a process, actions, and also the interactions that relevant to the participants' experience, so that something that still relevant to the participants' experience as your data. And for the methodology that researchers collect the data to interviews and also the observations, and it can be others, then they will analyze the data to identify pattern and develop a theoretical framework. And this approach emphasizes the importance of the data itself in shaping the theory rather than starting with a preconceived hypothesis. And the next about narrative. So for the definition itself is narrative focus on the stories of individuals, exploring how they make sense to their experience through storytelling. And the purpose of the narrative itself is aims to understand the meaning of individuals assigned to their life event and how this narrative shape their identities and also the social realities. And the methodologies that narrative use is researchers often collect a narrative through interviews, written accounts, or other forms of storytelling, and the adults install the interpreting this narrative to uncover them and insight about the participant's life and the broader social context in which they exist. And the last one is ethnography. So the ethnography itself is a qualitative research method that involves in-depth study of people in their narrative environments, aiming to understand the culture, behavior, and also some social interactions that happens. And for the purpose itself, the ethnography goals is to provide a detailed and holistic understanding of a group way of life, including their norms, rituals, and everyday practices, which is that happens every day in their daily life. And for the methodology, ethnographers typically immerse themselves in the community they are studying for an extended period, using a participant observations, interviews, and other data collections methods to gather rich contextual information about the participant's life. So the methodology that often used, and they will make their self to be a part in the community for a long time or an extended period to collect several data for their research. Well, I think that's all for me. I hope you will understand about my short explanations about those. I think that's all. Thank you.